Welcome back to Colin College Sports, everybody. With me, as always, we have Brennan.
What's going on, everybody?
So, Brennan, today we are going at some basketball to kind of go along with the playoffs right now, or the championship, I guess I should say. You watched any of it?
Oh, yeah, I've watched every game.
Every single game?
This is actually, okay, no lie, because I've been watching the playoffs for years. That's usually when I'm usually most active with the NBA.
Yeah.
This is the best finals I've ever watched.
Best?
Yeah. Like, just based off of how competitive it is. It's not like one game, a team's competitive, then the next game they're not. These teams are fighting it out every single night.
Yeah, aside from the first game, I think the Suns took it to them.
Yeah.
That's it. Other than that, it's been lots of back and forth, super hard fought championship.
They both want to win.
They both want it. I think that Giannis and the Bucks, they're going back home, right? Isn't that the next game in Milwaukee?
Let's find out.
Because they just stole one from the Suns in
Phoenix. The next game is going to be in Milwaukee.
That's what I thought. So I think Giannis is just going to finish laying the hammer down. I think he's just going to go off.
Do you have a line on this one?
No.
Think he's capping it with a triple-double?
At least a double-double. But I do think he's going to throw up, over 40 points.
I think we're going to see another 40-point game from Book.
I think Book's going to come out strong, yes. And I think you're going to have two 40-point players. Unfortunately, because, and this is my personal opinion, the Bucks will play a little more aggressive defense than the Suns.
Yeah.
I think they're going to ultimately come with the win, even though I think...
I wouldn't say more aggressive. I think that they're just more defensively sound.
Yeah.
It's not that they play defense harder. It's that they play defense, they can play hard defense and not foul. Whereas when Phoenix tries to play hard defense, they foul.
Yeah. They have the aggressive style down packed the right way.
Yeah, and this whole thing where teams have to it has to be even amount of fouls each game. That's not how the game is played. Sometimes if you're not as good on defense or if you commit more fouls, the other team's going to take more foul shots. That's just the name of the game. They don't have to offset it.
Exactly. I think that because of Milwaukee's defensive style and the way Giannis has been playing, I don't think the Suns are going to be able to go into Milwaukee and stop them. So I think tomorrow or Monday. Tomorrow, Monday?
Yes, tomorrow's Monday.
Tomorrow's Monday. They're going to take it.
Well, on that note, what are we breaking into here?
So we got some Donruss basketball, a fat pack. We have NBA Hoops fat pack, and we have the NBA Hoops winner.
The Christmas version?
Christmas version. So
Christmas in July.
Christmas in July. Perfect timing. So without further ado, let's bust into these things and get some sweet hits.
Sounds good.
Go ahead.
This is definitely X-Acto knife pack.
Yeah. So this is going to be our first downward basketball, so I'm excited to see what they look like. Hopefully they're nice. KD. Start it off.
DeMar
DeRozan. You think he's going to stick around with the Spurs?
No, I actually think he'll get traded to a playoff team.
Torrey Craig. Yeah?
Yeah.
Michael Porter.
Michael Porter Jr.
Jr., yes.
Dennis Schroeder.
Julius Randle. Oh, is that him again?
Nope, that is R.J. Barrett.
It's R.J. Barrett.
Duh. Joe Harris. If you can say this correctly, you get $5.
Lori Markkanen?
Nope. Lori Markkinen.
Markkanen. Kawhi.
Can you say that one right?
Giannis Antetokounmpo. Obviously. Who doesn't know Giannis? Mitchell Robinson? Is that what this is?
Yes, it is. You know who that is? You say that name right? Serge Ibaka. It's Serge Ibaka.
Serge Ibaka.
You know who that is?
I cannot see the cards. Oh, Marcus Morris.
Yeah.
Hey, we got a purple parallel.
That is Harrison Barnes.
Harrison Barnes.
That is.
Shabazz Napier. Will Barton.
Kelly Oubre when he was back with the Suns.
Guess it sucks for him. Dwight Howard. Karl Anthony Towns.
Colin Sexton. Okay. He's one of my favorite players right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Josh Richardson. Hey, what is that?
That is a Power in the Paint Jared Allen. That's a cool looking card, though.
Yeah.
He is actually a Cavalier.
Yeah. That one I didn't know.
Russell Westbrook, complete player card.
That's a neat looking card. Rockets, not so much there anymore. Oh, dang. Marquise Chris. That is a sweet card. Green and yellow parallel laser.
James Wiseman, rated rookie.
Rated rookie. Here we go. That's a nice card right there. Skylar Mays. Saban Lee.
Great piston right there.
Tyler Bev.
Tyler Bay.
Or Bay. Terrell Terry. All right. NBA hoops. Hoops. Get some. Oh, they are not.
Dwight Powell.
How? Derek Favors.
Yep.
Marcus Smart.
Marcus Morris.
Marcus Morris.
Damian Lillard. Kobe White. Marquise Chris.
Shake Milton.
Terrence Davis. Joshua Kobe. Blake Griffin. Thief.
And his Pistons threads. Got Evan Fournier. Chris Paul. Miles Turner.
Brandon Clark. DeAndre Hunter. Bojan Bogdanovic. Or is it Bogdan? Bogdan. Goran Dragic.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bless up, bless up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much.
Lamello Ball rookie card.
Finally got one. Nice. Finally. Only took 100 packs. And we did.
Crimea River. So what, we have the number 1 and 2? Or, so we have all the top 3 guys now, right?
Yeah, for this past year. Paul George. Giannis.
Thaddeus Young. Bogdan. Goran Dragic. Willie Cauley-Stein, and it's a rare one. Look at that.
Purple parallel, nice.
Tyrese Halliburton. That guy's really good, and that's who I wanted the Pistons to take.
Well, too bad. Xavier Tillman, okay. Good, nice.
MSU.
Another MSU alum. Alright, so here we go.
Spencer
Dinwiddie. Joel Embiid.
Austin Rivers.
Derrick
Rose. The Rose boy. Markelle Fultz. Lonnie Walker.
Udoka Azubuike. And
Malachi Flynn.
nice.
Nice little thing on the rookie cards. NBA Hoops doesn't skimp on the rookie cards.
They do not. You just have to find the good ones. It's the only problem. Okay, so Kristaps, JJ Redick,
Shea
Gilgeous Alexander,
Hassan.
Jonas.
Valanciunas. That's a nice looking
Nice.
card.
This is John Morant. I like
Yeah.
that. Daniel Oturu and
Cassius
Winston, another Spartan. Hoping they would have used him a little more, but he must not have done as well as we thought. But who knows? So Jason Tatum, Patrick Beverly,
Chris Middleton.
nice.
Dwayne Bacon. Dennis Schroeder. Oh, that is a nice looking card.
That's a LeBron.
Lights,
That's
camera, action.
Nice refractor there. Trey Jones.
Emmanuel Quickly. He had a really good rookie year.
Yeah, well, that team came out of nowhere. Had a really good year. I think that LeBron ends up being our hit, though. We'll see.
Chris Dunn. Andrew Wiggins. Josh Jackson. Zach Collins. Rui Hachimura. Frequent flyer card of, oh, it's Derrick Jones Jr. That guy's a monster dunker. Look at that. Anthony Edwards, rare rookie card, I think.
No, I don't think it's rare. I think they're all cool.
Sadiq Bey.
We have like 5 of these.
Good. Sadiq Bey's a monster.
I love Sadiq. But I'd like some type of alternate. Okay, starting her off.
KCP. Taurean Prince. Let's see, LaMarcus. Blake the Thief. Evan Fournier. Paul George Vanity Plate card. Who we got there?
Skyler.
Oh, Skylar Mays again?
Yep.
Peyton Pritchard. I'm sure Dre will be hitting us up about that card because he's the next, any player who plays for the Celtics is going to be a Hall of Famer. Of course.
Oh, obviously.
Right.
This thing feels thick. Oh, there's a
thick?
swatch in here.
So we got
Tobias.
Serge, Luka, Chris Paul, Devin Vassell.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
That is a rookie swatch, everybody.
I like
and that is a
It's
very nice
sweater.
rookie swatch.
It's a sweater swatch. That's nice. It's a nice
Real
looking
nice.
card.
Chris Paul lights camera action card. Patrick Williams rookie card, okay. And another Devin Vassell. He had a good rookie year.
Doubling up on Vassell. I think that's everything. Yep. All right.